Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and in today's video I'll be sharing with you all this sweet little hamper that I got sent from Plum goodness. So Plum is celebrating their 6th birthday from 18th of September till the 21st of September, and so they were kind enough to send me this small little hamper. So if you want to know what all did I get in this, then please continue watching. So these are all of the products that I got sent from Plum goodness. If you do not already know, Plum is India's first 100% vegan and PETA certified beauty brand. So let's see what all did I get. Now the very first thing that I have over here is this. This is the Plum Olive and Macadamia Mega Moisturizing Hair Mask for chemically treated hair, and that is the outer packaging. And as you can see, I've been using quite a lot of it and I've been enjoying this mask so much. You guys, once I wash this mask from my hair, it just makes my hair so much soft and it smells divine. It smells divine, you guys. Absolutely loved this hair mask, and also as it is for chemically treated hair, and you can see me, right? Hair mask does contain olive as well, so it makes your hair very soft, very manageable, silky, and your hair smells so good. Was the first product that I have in here. The second product I have is this. This is the Plum Camomile and Whitey Glow Getter Face Pack. So that is the outer packaging, very pretty, right? And that is how the actual packaging of the mask looks like. It is very heavy. It is a glass jar, and again you can see I've used quite a lot of it. This smells great. Like, it is very mild but it smells so good. This does contain kaolin clay and glycolic acid, whitey leaf extracts and licorice root extracts, and very good ingredients. So this is perfect if you want to just detoxify your skin and add that good glow to your skin. So that was the mask that I have in here. The third thing that I have is this. This is the Plum Naturstudio Kajal. I've already reviewed this kajal. I'm having 2 or 3 already of this kajal. It is very creamy. It is a cream to gel consistency kajal, very smooth and glides easily. That is how the packaging of the kajal looks like. It is very black and soft to apply. You do not have to apply a lot of pressure, you know, it just glides very easily. Just one thing that you have to shut the cap really tight, or if it just dries up, you can sharpen like 1.5 centimeters or so, and you can revive your kajal. Also, they are having up to 40% off on all of their products during this sale, and if you do shop for 1,299, you would get this Naturstudio Kajal absolutely free, and if you do shop for 1,999 or above, you would get the green tea travel kit absolutely free, and there are surprise goodies on each and every order. So let me show you. This is the last thing that I have in here. This is the Plum Green Tea Skincare Travel Kit, and this is how it looks like. This is basically all their green tea range in mini sizes, which is so cute. The first mini you get in here is the Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. I've tried this out and found it to be decent. The second thing is my favorite. This is the Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. If you are a follower since a long time, you know this is empty, like completely empty, and I love this toner. The third thing is the Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. This is for the daytime. Fourth mini is the Renewed Clarity Night Gel. Now if you remember, just few weeks back I got those small bumps as an allergic reaction due to some products, but I just applied this, as this does have green tea as well as aloe vera into it, and it just calmed my skin down and those bumps were gone in 2 days. So I absolutely love this product. I haven't yet tried the full size, but I would surely do once this is done. And the last product I have over here is the Green Tea Clear Face Mask. So you get cute little minis of all of these products from their green tea range, and I personally love the toner and the night clarity gel out of these. So yes, those were all of the products that were sent by Plum, and as I said before that the sale is from 18th of September till the 21st on plumgoodness.com. You can check them out. I will have all the product names mentioned in the description box, and I'll meet you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.